Welcome to another Zippo unboxing and a little story about where I was stationed. Let's see what. Ooh. All right. We got high polished brass. Love that. Marines, the few, the proud. This is a very nice one. Doesn't look like I need to clean it off too much. Go ahead. Let me see. See my face in through it. That means it's pretty shiny. Well, all high polished ones are like that. I'm gonna clean it off a little bit. There we go. Get all the smudge marks off. All right. I was at comm school in 29 Palms, California. And it's pretty much a boring place. We're only there for 6 weeks for comm school. I was a field radio operator. 6 weeks, a little over 20 years ago. There's not too many stories I can think of about that place. But about 4 weeks in, 3 weeks in, I believe, I can't remember. They asked, their sergeants asked us, the instructors asked us all to work at this dream sheet and give us the first option of the place we want to be stationed. And you can pick overseas, East Coast, West Coast, or Hawaii. So about three other people picked Hawaii, and I was one too. And they came back with where we're going a few weeks later and told me I was going to Camp Lejeune. And then a week after that, after I had already told everybody I was going to Camp Lejeune, I forgot to see A21, January 21. I forgot to check if the carpet matches the drapes. No, it doesn't. C21. She's not a real redhead. But about a week later, I get in well, they come out and start telling everybody where they're going again for some reason. And then I get told I'm going to 1st Battalion, 12th Marines, Bravo Battery, an artillery battery is what they're called, and which is stationed in Hawaii. The fun starts. Enough with those boot camp stories. So let's get this in the case. Okay, I got my highly polished row up top, as that's what I consider the best looking ones. I got another highly polished brass one. Let's go ahead and slide these over. And you can see there's only one small difference in those two. It's a little ridiculous, but this is never ending. See you later.